Hello everyone. Today we will see a practical where user will upload his or her photo and our application will tell the expression of user, the emotion of user have, and accordingly it will throw an image and it will play a music according to that. So to show you this, so we have this as a front end. I will explain you complete code step by step. I'm using Python in the backend and I'm using AWS cloud, and currently this application is being hosted in AWS cloud. I will share you this URL in the description. It would be valid for I think 24 to 48 hours. You guys can try this out. After this I will have to close my EC2 instance. So let's start. So let's go here. Let's be see let if I choosing a happy image. So I have just choose an image and I will upload. As I will upload, so here you have seen the music was playing as well as it was saying my emotion is happy. Similarly, let me select any other image. Let me say sad. So you guys can here choose your own image, your own photo. Okay, currently I'm just downloading something from internet. Okay, and I'm just using it. But behind the scene, it is doing image recognition and it is finding the emotion which we have in this image. So let me do for sad. So it is saying you seems to be sad. And now the sad music will
लाइफ है पूरा ही झंडबा काहे का इतना घमंडबा लाइफ है.
okay, so the music was funny. So let me select any other image. Let's say calm. So let's see what it will tell me. So here currently I have put this name as calm, but it is going to this image and it is understanding from this image expression what exactly we have. So let me select calm for now and let's see. So it is saying you are calm. Okay, we have auntie here. So that's all about the practical which I have shown you. We have created an interface with HTML, CSS, and behind the scene using Python CGI, as well as we have integrated it further with AWS Cloud. And there with AWS Cloud, we have a service name as Rekognisation. So we are using that in behind the scene. So if you come to AWS and if you try to search, so here if you search for recognition, you will find a service name as Amazon Recognition, and this service is made by AWS. If you wanted to try a demo, basically we are using SDK and we are using it via Boto3 library. And here if you have an email, let's say here we have some images, so it is already telling me like we have car, so it is 98.8% sure it is a car. It is sure that there is a person. So a lot of things it is telling about the image. So here also you can come and upload an image and you can find the expression. Same API I'm using behind the scene in my code. So let's see how I have developed this. So I will come to my Linux server. So this is my Linux server. Let me log into root account. Okay, now I'm at root account. Let me so here you can see, let me clear my screen. Here you can see HTTPD software is running currently. Okay, and here in with HTTPD, Apache HTTPD, I have hosted my website. Let me go to the location HTML. I hope you are familiar with this location. Okay, so let me clear my screen and let's see what type of files we have. So here currently I have a file name as ai.html, even which I am using here. So you can see ai.html I am using here. This is a very simple website. If you know about HTML, then that's very easy. I have just created some title, some style sheet I am using. I have just created a file button like this where we can select any file object and we can upload it. That's it. Nothing much we are doing. And in action, you can see we are sending our image to our ai.py. This is a code in backend, a CGI Python CGI code I have created with the method post. So this is what I'm using behind the scene. So currently here we don't have much code. I will share you the code. You can go through it. Very simple code we have, and similarly we have style CSS. So very simple. We don't have much thing here. So let me go back to the main folder. If you know about something on cgi-bin, so here I have in this folder we have Python CGI code. So let me clear my screen, and if you see, if you see here, the main file for us is ai.py. Ignore these files. Okay, these are for some other projects. Currently we have this file. So what you will have to do if you are doing it first time is, first of all, create a file like ai.py. Then you will have to make it executable. So then only it will work. So for that you will have to run a command chmod x ai.py. For me it is already executable, so that's all. But for you, you will have to run if you're doing it first time. Okay, then it will show in green color. So let me go inside ai.py file. So a lot of codes you will see here, but it is very easy. If you try to understand, then it will be very easy. Here, firstly, I am saying that I am doing my coding in Python 3, and what type of data I will be having here. So like if I do something, so let's say happy, and if I just upload here, so here you can see that this is a link which you can use. So this is my company link. You can go with that. We provide some facilities. You can check it out. So let's go back and we will see these things. Okay. So how we are doing this? A couple of softwares here I am uploading. Couple of modules I am uploading here. And if you know whatever the input, like here my front end is sending one file name as happy.jpg to my backend, and I am taking that with the help of this function. And here I'm taking I'm saying that cgi.field storage, you will get one post value with this variable name. I have used this variable name, and please store it in a variable image. So in this image currently I have now the byte code of my image. So whenever image will be transferred from front end to back end, it will not transfer like just an image, it will transfer in binary format, right? So that's what here I have done. Even if you try to print it, then you will get the exact idea how it is, how it looks like. So that's why I have created some print statement. You can unprint it if you wanted to see. So let's go down and we will see something here. So here if you will see, we have a file name. It is saying about something.jpg. I will go per binary value and I will store, I will write it in an image. Okay, so where I will write it in a file, something.jpg I am writing. So now whenever this will run, a file will be created named as something.jpg with the same content which was shared by the client. Now, here I am just using some bucket name. If you know about AWS, so here I have shown you about Amazon Recognition Service. If we are using its API, then basically here, like as a user, we can come here and we can upload any image and we can see. But if we are using some API or SDK of it, then it will take that image from S3 bucket. So that's why here I have created a S3 bucket. So here you can see in S3 bucket. Clear. So here in S3 bucket, we have created a bucket. Here users image will be saved. Okay. So here some of the all the songs and all the things which we will see here. I will same bucket. Okay. But currently, whatever user image will come, it will be hosted in this bucket. Okay. So let me show you. So here user image, let's see image.jpg is being stored. Now what I'm saying is it will be hosted here. This is my some credential. Okay, you can change it to your credential. Then I am saying I am using Boto3 library to connect my AWS, and then I will upload this image.jpg there. After uploading that, then I will be using Amazon Recognition Service. Okay, here you can see I am using Amazon Recognition Service REK. Okay, I am saying Amazon Recognition Service, please find my image from this bucket and please send me all details. So it will send me details in JSON format. You can print this statement. It would give you a very high brief how what type of output we get. And here in emotion variable, I'm just storing whatever they are sharing. So and even it will share a lot of details to me. It will share something like I am 40% confident that he is happy. I am 20% confident he is sad. Something like that. But here I will have to pick the emotion on which it is most confident. Okay, so that's for this only I am running some loop here, because while running for 8 times, because 8 type of emotion he will give it to me. And here this loop is very simple. If you just go with that, what I am doing here is in this loop I am just going with all the emotion and I'm just trying to find which is the biggest one. Okay, that's it, not that much big. So this is a very simple thing, and from here I will get to know what emotion user have. Now if user emotion will be happy, then I will print. So here see whatever I am printing, it is a complete HTML code. This will be printed. So whenever user will be happy, this thing will be printed. In the title we will happy, in the background it will be black, In the image, we have a image URL, we have a audio URL. Okay, everything is being mentioned here, and we will also mention what you seems to be happy, something like that. Okay, so currently here I have used some if statement, elif statement. We have some couple of more ways to do it. Let me show you how we can do it. So let me choose, let's say, for angry. I will choose angry, then you will see it will show something like one image, one message, and this, and one music is also playing, because for angry I have selected the different music. So that's how it is working. Very simple. Explanation I have provided to you. I will say the Python CGI is one of the good way. You can use it in backend and you can integrate it with any further technologies, if even with machine learning. Here with Boto 3 I've connected with AWS account, and like this we can do. Okay, so this was one of the practical which I wanted to show you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, and let me know. Connect me on my LinkedIn. There, I will be updating these type of projects very frequently. Okay, so let me know if you have some things to discuss. Otherwise, things are very simple. As a user will come here, as a user will upload his photo, it will come to my backend Python CGI. Then Python CGI will upload it in my bucket. Then from bucket, my Amazon recognition service will take that image from bucket, and it will do its algorithm, and it will get to know what the emotion he have, and then it will send it back to my Python CGI code, and then from Python CGI code I will pick up the emotion which user have, and then accordingly I will show the user output. So this website would be live for 1 or 2 days, so you guys can check it out. You can use this link. I will post in the description box. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.